So this is the video about the axle. I changed my car axles and I put 2 times axle because the first one I changed was making clunking noise whenever you drive, like you're putting shift to backward and forward. It was clunky. So the problem, I couldn't, I thought maybe the axle is like is not machined very well. So I bought another one from different brand. That one making clunking noise too. So I suspected about the axle not torque because I torqued it for a specific amount that the manufacturer recommended. But I start to make it tighter because after that I noticed there is no clunking noise. It's gone. So I recommend you, if you have like a noising from the axle side, first try to tighten it as you can. Probably it's going to get a solve. If it's not, your axle is broken. You have to change it.